the point on it so you can look.
Hello, I can do this one.
Or the other end. Or no, that's the end. Yeah. Works good, huh? You want to catch this end?
Yeah, go ahead.
They're making a lot, but they make it.
So,
Check this.
whenever you put the frames, just always be careful not to go slow when you put them back, so you don't smash the queen. So they're drawn out this way.
Oh, they're making honey on this one.
Right, let me see this other side. Do it like this towards me. There you go, honey. Alright. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna check a board. That one's almost fully drawn. I'm gonna put that one at the end.
The one I just took off the more.
Did they draw out on that one? See any babies?
Look at this side.
Okay.
I think the one that I just done.
So be careful. Make that one go to the end.
No, this one to the end. This has got the most.
Okay, cool. Hold on. Move this one over some, or I'll do it. There's no point in checking the rest of them. I don't see no draw coming out of the rest of them.
I never thought I'd be holding a thing of bees this close to me.
See it real quick? That's the same way you pulled it out like that, right?
Yeah. See, I would have thought they'd be attacking us right now. Huh?
So at least they draw on the corner.
We're looking for the one that maybe looked different, but
So give her a few days, she'll feel later. That's about the only frame that's got the most drawn out on it.
huh?
Talking to the camera. I guarantee she's somewhere in here.
Oh yeah. Don't push them tight, huh?
Mm-hmm.
You want to push them tight against each other.
Well, I'll be there.
What?
Still has some bees that drown.
And the floats are still there?
Floats are still there.
But the floats are smaller though. Well, they almost have to be so you can drink on the side.
I wonder how long they'll be good. So, they'll be.
You're not putting them on?
No, that's it, because I don't see no more drawn. They're not working there. So right now they're just working those three. I'll come on this side, if there's not many bees.
don't want to put your
Oh,
leg,
yeah, don't
leg
want
belt
that.
in. Where you put? I'll hold it here.
Tell you what, I'm gonna put it at.
Well, you go ahead, cover the whole thing. We can slide if you want to put it on your leg.
I don't want to put it near the water. Oh, it's sugar water.
Oh, hold on.
All right. I'm gonna put it on this side.
So you can put it on this side. Well, matching the head. Well.
So they got two frames, pretty much two frames.
Look, we kill 3 of them and put the frame down.
All right.
It just slips in.
Yeah.
You want to tap it? Do it right here and tap it with your hand. Oop.
That's good right there. Just enough to, I don't, just enough to worry behind it. That's good right there. That way, if I ever got to pull it out, whenever I put the second brood, I'm gonna flip it to
Now,
the
do
bigger.
they hatch babies in there?
Huh?
Like to add to their colony?
What you mean?
Like, say half of them died. Do they hatch some more workers?
As long as the queen has fresh eggs in there.
Yeah. How long it takes for them to hatch?
Hold on.
Once she lays.
Once she lays, I think 8 or 9.